Welcome once again to Microbrands Unscripted, and we have another unboxing of very familiar microbrand. But before that, we would like to mention briefly what we have in store for you. You probably seen this logo in our past videos, and what the hell is Flux? Well, Flux is our watch brand that we're trying to launch, and just a little update for you guys. We have gotten some of the parts now, and we're in the assembly process. We're in the prototype phase, so we'll be showing you much more about this new watch, and we're really excited on what we're bringing here with all of the features that we are trying to implement in this one-of-a-kind watch, and we're so excited. So stay tuned for that. And all of these videos are sponsored by Flux Watches. Now, let's move on to the actual thing that you came here for, which is unboxing of another Venezianico watch. And this one is really special because we actually know about this watch for a few months now. Oops, I unboxed the underside of the box. Anyway, and I've been holding my tongue and my mouth not to tell everyone about this because it's an exciting new watch from Venezianico. If we could, that's one thing. Yeah. If we would talk about Venezianico for a little bit, many of you may be familiar of their Redentore and the Re de line. Those are the two popular lines from this brand, and they're pretty good watches. They have varying sizes, varying features, but those two cases are very familiar, and they've been redone over and over again with varying dials and bezels and straps. This one though is very different. So let's see how it looks like. I've seen the renders, and this is the first time I'm gonna see it in the metal. And there it is, the Arsenal. Wow. Okay, now this is the look at that. Look how thin that is. That's the biggest feature or hero part of this. Where did I get that? Who was saying hero feature of the watch? I think it's Peter Kotza. Shout out to Peter Kotza. I took that. I pirated that slogan or that phrase. But this is one of the biggest features of this watch. It's that 8mm thick or 8.9mm thick case, and of course, it's an integrated bracelet watch. Another one, yes, that is true, but this one is threading the needle against the PRX and Chapek, if I may say so, and a little bit of Christopher Ward here and there. I wish I have a Christopher Ward 11 lying around so that I can compare it with this one. But look at that dial. Okay, that dial is simply gorgeous and different. Is there a plastic on this? I think there is. Is there? Can't even see. It's so thin. I don't even know if there's a plastic wrapping there. But look at that. That is a Côte de Genève dial decoration. That is beautiful. And look how clean that is compared to Venezianico's other offerings. There's no Venezianico under the logo, just their logo, and the Venezianico is actually here underneath. You can see it. There you go. It's actually written there, and it is brilliant. It has a lot of those facets. Those facets are really beautiful. Well, it's not. It's quite bigger than I expected. I thought it was narrower, but let's put it on the wrist. Let's see. Oh, look at that. Okay, it kind of darts out of my wrist a little bit, but look how thin that is. That thin case is amazing. This is 40mm, and there you go. So no more. That's as far as it could go. So that could be another thing that we will have to talk about, that lug curve. There you go. That's the extent of the lug curve. Many of you will be able to tolerate that, but my wrist isn't, or maybe at the limit of it. And there is that clasp. Very nice. Reminiscent of their other Canova bracelet. Is it a threaded crown? Yes, it is a threaded crown. There you go. No second hand, guys. No second hand on this one. Let's wipe that a little bit. No threaded. No, right. There's a threaded crown. No second hand on this one. So it's just the hour and minutes. This is a Miyota caliber. I don't remember the serial number of that, the model number of that Miyota, but that is it. It's finally here, the Arsenale from Venezianico. There has been an Arsenale from this brand, but it's a totally different watch. Now they have moved on to an integrated bracelet design for the new Arsenale. So, you know the drill, guys. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this watch, and the good comments, the interesting ones, will make it into the actual video review. This is just an unboxing, guys, so keep in anticipation. Before the launch, we're going to have that video released very, very soon. Again, that's the Venezianico Arsenale.